We will take the last question. Ehsan from Lahore, Pakistan, he asks, is it permissible to call kafir a kafir? The word kafir is derived from the root word kufr, which means to reject, to conceal or to hide. Linguistically, the word kafir means to reject, to conceal or to hide. In Islamic terminology, kafir means a person who rejects or hides the truth of Islam. So a non-Muslim, in Arabic, he is called as a kafir. So when a person is speaking in Arabic, if he is referring to the non-Muslim, he will call them a kafir. So it is permissible to call a non-Muslim a kafir, because this word kafir, if you translate it into English, it refers to as a non-Muslim. So as I said, linguistically, it means to reject, to conceal or to hide. Like the farmer, he hides the seeds. But in Islamic terminology, it refers to someone who rejects or hides the truth of Islam. Non-Muslim, in Arabic, he is called as a kafir. If the kafir or the non-Muslim, they do not like this terminology of kafir, then I would request them to accept Islam, and we will stop referring them as a kafir, that is a non-Muslim.